Should pop-up drink stands maintain multiple business bank accounts? Yes, most pop-up drink stands should keep at least 2 separate business bank accounts, one for everyday spending and one for savings or taxes, because mixing all your money into one account makes it way too easy to overspend and leaves you with nothing set aside when tax season or slow months hit. Think of it like having 2 jars instead of one. One jar is for buying cups, lemons, sugar, and paying your helper for the day. The other jar is untouched, and that money is only for taxes, replacing equipment, or saving up for a bigger cart or trailer someday. A lot of small pop-up businesses fail not because they aren't making sales, but because the owner spends every dollar that comes in without setting anything aside, and then gets hit with a tax bill or a broken blender with zero cushion. Something most people don't realize is that separating accounts also makes your business look more legitimate to banks and lenders if you ever want a small loan to expand, because they can clearly see organized money movement instead of one messy account mixing personal and business funds together. One thing to really watch out for is mixing personal spending with business spending in that main account. So the simple fix is to pay yourself a set amount regularly instead of dipping in whenever you feel like it. Another important thing is forgetting to set aside money for taxes as you go. So a smart trick is automatically moving around 30% of every deposit into that separate tax jar the moment you get paid. Lastly, many people overlook keeping a small emergency fund account just for equipment breakdowns, since a broken blender or generator can shut you down for days. So even $50 a week set aside adds up fast and saves your season. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.